Today we're at Gurn & Brown. We partnered up with Ochsner today doing a Hearts and Circulatory Day. The kids were able to get into some things like a heart dissection, checking their pulses, doing mini heart pumps. And that was actually the big field for our K through 2nd, and the big field for 3rd through 12th was our mechanical heart. So overall, the kids, they had a fantastic time today engaging in all of our activities, even with our heart dissection and engaging in our virtual reality and 3D printing area.
I distinctly recall being the age of many of these kids in here, and none of us can achieve what we've achieved alone. We have to have some help along the way. I had help, and it's important for me to pass it forward by making sure that I'm here on these Saturday mornings to support these kids. Well, it's vitally important. The healthcare profession in general is running shortages within many disciplines within healthcare. So why not start in our own community? Mentor these kids, foster attention to STEM, the STEM disciplines, to make sure that we create the next generation of kids. And we can do that right here in our own community.
Here's the heart. You can see the inside of it. You'll see all your little blood vessels. That's how it looks when it's in the body.
Today was important for me to volunteer, to show kids that they can do it, to show them, like young doctors that have finished med school, that have done this program before, and to show them that if this is the career that they choose, they're able to get there.
Okay, right here, basically what we have is like the model of the heart. We have our atriums on this side. Well, we have our atriums up here at the top and our ventricles at the bottom. Here's our right side and left side. So over here for our right atrium, what we're gonna first do is we're going to push through, and as you can see, we have the blue water food coloring going down all the way through to the right ventricle. Now from the right ventricle, what it would do in the body is that would go through the lungs essentially, because that's where like the oxygen is and stuff like that.